Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is Teka here, and let's continue with the Python series. So today we will be discussing on sets comprehension in Python. Like we know earlier we have discussed about the set and all in Python. So set, how to define set, we know like set s1 equal to this bracket, and I'll take some elements like 10, 20, 30. Then I'll take some repeated values. So 40, then I will take like 50, like this we can take. And we know duplicate values are not allowed in set. So what I will do here, I just want to print the value of s1. So first I will execute this set. Okay, execute successfully. Now I will go for execute this one. See, we can see here there is no duplicate value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And even the one more thing, in set we do not have any order is not there in the set. Okay, so now what I will do here, if I just want to display all this value in a normal with the help of for loop, or how I will do. Okay, so what we will do here, I'll do one thing. I'll apply like for loop for I in. I'll take like s1, then we'll print here. Okay, and one more thing I just would like to say, if we just want to add in another variable in another set. Okay, so sometimes some people, they'll be thinking like, if I just want to take s2 equal to like this, they'll be thinking it's empty set. In interview they will ask this kind of question, is it empty set? It's not empty set. It's not empty set. See, if I'll check the type of this s2, then the type of s2 will be dictionary. See, s2 I have executed. See, here also you can see it's a dict type, right? And even though I will execute and show you here, it's a type of dictionary. So then how to define a set? Okay, to define a set, what we need to do here, we need to write like this. Yes, set of like this. That's all. So you just execute this line now, and you just check the print. Okay, now in this you can check it, class type is set. This how to define an empty set. Now what I will do here, I'll take like for I in s1, then s2 I will add. So in this we do not have append method. In list we have append method, but in set we have add method. The health add method, and I will add I all value, then I will print here s2, then I'll print the s2 here. Now you can see here I've added all the items. Now I will execute this s2. See, we got everything same item here. Like this we can go normal. If I want to get with this set comprehension, then how I will go? Okay, set comprehension. So here set comprehension, how I will do for the set comprehension. Okay, so in the set configuration we know first how to declare a set. Like this we will declare. Okay, so I'll take like for I in this one, and again we know like in list comparison we have discussed this, what is the syntax, and I will write the expression. So I just want to display the value, right? So I'll take I, that's all. Then I will take here s2, then I will print just the value of s2. Okay, s2 I'll just display it. Okay, now I'll just check. See, we got the same value. You can see this above value, this is list comprehension, and this is normal. With the help of for loop we got it. Okay, I'm sorry, this is this set comprehension. Okay, so now we'll take one more example, like how to get the yeah, we'll take square. We can take square, even numbers, anything we can take. Okay, so this time I'll take here square method. Square, how to get a square of elements, sets, whatever the elements available in set, we will go for this. Okay, so here what we will do here, first of all I'll take here s1 equal to, we have some numbers like 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6, like this we have. Okay, and even if I have some duplicate numbers also, 1 comma like 4. So duplicate number we know which is not allowed at all. So if you want, I will just display the duplicate number also. See, you can see here duplicate numbers. Yeah, duplicate number is not allowed in the sets. So first of all we'll just check it normal how to get, then later we'll go for set comprehension. First I will write for I in s1. And one more thing, we need to take the set 2. So I'll take here s2 is equal to set of this one, then I will write here yeah, No problem. No need to write. No need to check the type also every time. Okay, like this set only. So now I will add this s2 dot add of I. I will add and I need to do the square. So I'll write like this. Then I will write here print of s2 like this we can do. Okay, so now just check it. See, we got the square 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. I got it. This is normally I got it. But if I just want to do with the help of sets comprehensions, with the help of sets comprehension, then how I will do sets comprehension. Okay, how I will go. So now I'll go like we know, like initialize like this, and then you reply for loop for I in, then for I in the S1. Okay, and now I just want to do square means I'll take I star I can do. Okay, this much only, and I'll store in this. Okay, just 1 second. Yeah, S2 here. Then I will display the value of set configuration. That comprehension will in doing in one line itself only. Okay, we can see the same output. I got it. So okay, now I will take some more examples here. We'll take one more two three examples also. Now I'll take directly. Now directly I'm writing the set comprehensions. I'll just what I will do here first for the even numbers. For the even numbers, how to get even numbers? Numbers from sets. We have sets. Okay, from the sets we just want even numbers. So how we will write? You just see yes. We have like yes. In the yes, what I will do here? I'll write here some numbers like 2 comma 10 comma 15. Then we have like 4, just 1 second, sorry, like 15 we have, then we have, sorry, we have 14, then we have 21, then we have 12. Like this we have some values, right? Okay, so like this I will write it. Now I'll write here s2 equal to s of, like this I'll write it. Now I'll directly I will write this one. Okay, so now what I will do here, I'll just write it here. For loop for I in we will take here s1. Now we know how to get even numbers. So even numbers I will get it, but I will write here just I only. In the place of I you can take any variable like x y z or anything. Here I will write condition if I mod 2, sorry, I mod 2 equal 0. This if you want you can give a space also here, no problem, it will work. You just write here s2 and then you display here print of s2. Like this you can display it. So I'll just execute these lines. See, I got the even numbers 2 comma 4, only the even numbers is there. Okay, okay, sorry, just 1 second, I need to execute these lines. Now I got all the even numbers, sorry. Yeah, you can see 2 4 10 14. Last time it's taken earlier actually as one. Okay, so this time is, now if I just want to get even numbers, if I'll go for odd numbers I'll just execute here only. Odd numbers you just take this not equal to 0. So for that you just take like this. See, like this you got even odd numbers like 21 comma 15. Like this you can go for odd numbers. And if I just want one more example, I just want to take, sometimes they will ask you some numbers we have. Okay, we will take here only that numbers. S2. Okay, I'll take another number itself only, no problem. I'll take a s2 equal to some numbers like 10 comma 21 comma 20 comma then 15, then I have like 16 comma I have like 21, like this. Okay, 22 I have. So I just want to get the value of which is divisible by 5. Okay, so how can I write here? You can see here, I'll write here. First of all, I'll write it for I in S1. Okay, then I just want to display the whichever value, that means I expression is I, and here you can write here if I mod 5 equal to 0, this much expression you write it, and you display the value of print of S2, you display it. Okay, so if I display this value, you can see the output divisible by 5. We have just 10 and 20. Duplicate value is not allowed. So we just go 10 and 20 like this, divisible by 5. If you they'll ask me divisible by 3. If you want, they ask me 3 also, you can do it here. So you will be getting, I think, only just 15 maybe in the output. Okay, sorry, not 15. Yeah, it's actually 15. Yeah, 15 is there, 21 is there, 12 is there. Correct, correct. Like this, you'll be getting the output. Okay. Okay. So this much only in this session. Okay, and thanks for watching. And guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and you will be getting the, if you subscribe our channel, you will be getting the further notifications. Even though you can go and watch each and every video when we'll upload another new videos also. This much only in session. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.